Hello everyone, today I am going to discuss about the random variables. A random variable is a variable whose value is an outcome of a random phenomena, and it is a numerically valued variable which takes different values with a given probabilities. There are two types of random variables. First one is discrete random variable and second one is continuous random variable. First one is discrete random variables. A discrete random variable is one which may take on only countable number of distinct values such as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Discrete random variables are usually counts. Examples: the number of children in a family, the number of patients a doctor sees in a one day, the number of defective light bulbs in a box of 10, the number of heads flipped in 3 trials. Continuous random variables. It is defined as a random variable that can take on an infinite number of possible values, and a continuous random variable is an uncountable. Here are the few applications of a continuous random variables. Marathon time. It is the one example of a continuous random variable because it can take on an infinite number of values. For example, a runner might complete the marathon in 3 hours 20 minutes 12.0 seconds, or they may complete the marathon in 4 hours 5 minutes 2.27 seconds, etc. In this scenario, we could use a historical marathon times to create a probability distribution that tells us the probability that a given runner finishes between a certain time interval. Another example of a continuous random variable is the interest rate of loans in a certain country. It can take on an infinite number of values. For example, a loan could have an interest rate of 3.5%, 3.76%, 4.0%, etc. In this scenario, we could use a historical interest rate to create a probability distribution that tells us the probability that a loan will have an interest rate within a certain interval. We can also see the applications of a continuous random variables in engineering field. In electrical engineering, it defines the range of a amount of a current which can pass through a certain wire. Here the current is flowing continuous manner, not in discrete manner. In chemical engineering, it is used to investigate the measuring distance that certain make of a automobile will travel over a prescribed test course on a fuel consumption. It helps to calculate the mileage of a vehicle with a fuel consumption. In civil engineering, it is used to estimate the price of a given construction project before and after giving bids to public. Thank you.